Clear thermocover. Sterility and efficiency in the operating theatre are a priority for anyone involved in patient care at the hospital, and especially during surgery. Medline's bowl cover offers you a sterile, disposable cover for saline bowls. This is a practical and efficient solution compared to the expensive and labour-intensive cleaning and re-sterilisation steps involved in reprocessing used devices. Our cover consists of transparent, double-layer polyethylene film with an aluminium bottom layer. The aluminium foil layer rests on the surface of the bowl for faster, homogeneous heat conduction. In addition to the convenience of its disposability, it fits with most of the market stands, both unheated and heated. Also, the transparent film allows you to control the temperature of the water when the device includes a digital display. By using the Medline cover, you can cost-effectively keep your sterile rinsing water in the operating theatre at an optimum temperature. Please contact your sales representative or visit our website at www.medline.eu.